Your auto insurance maxes out at $300,000. Your homeowner's policy stops at $500,000. But a serious accident or injury claim, it can easily hit $1 million. Everything above your limit comes straight out of your pocket. Your savings, your house equity, your future paychecks. Most people don't realize this until it's too late. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether umbrella insurance makes sense for you, how it actually protects you when it matters, and which scenarios trigger these claims most often. Here's the straightforward part. Umbrella insurance is a separate policy that kicks in when your auto or homeowner's liability limits get exhausted. You cause a serious car accident, medical bills, lost wages, pain and suffering damages add up to $700,000. Your auto policy pays its $300,000 limit. Your umbrella policy covers the remaining $400,000. Without it, that gap is your problem personally. This isn't theoretical. I see this all the time in my agency. A teen driver causes a multi-car pileup in the Twin Cities. Boom. Multiple injured parties. Claim hits 800,000. Minnesota winters mean slip and falls on driveways and patios. A broken hip on your icy walkway generates serious medical costs that exceed typical homeowners' limits. Dog bites are strict liability here in Minnesota, meaning you're responsible even if your dog has never bitten anyone before. Serious facial injuries from a dog bite easily reach $200,000, $300,000. If you own a house in the Minneapolis area, if you have a teenager driving, if you have a pool or trampoline, if your liquid assets and home equity add up to more than $200,000 or $300,000, you need umbrella coverage. And here's what surprises people. It costs about $200 to $300 a year for $1 million in coverage. That's genuinely affordable protection for the assets you've spent years building. The biggest mistake I see is people assuming their auto and homeowners liability limits are enough. They're not. A single serious injury claim can easily exceed $300,000 or $500,000. Clients ask me this every week. Do I really need umbrella coverage? The answer is if you have assets worth protecting, yes. If you don't, you're betting that a serious accident never happens. And once it does, it's too late. Call us right now at 763-733-7475. We're licensed in Minnesota, Wisconsin, North Dakota, South Dakota, Iowa, Illinois, Ohio, Missouri, Nebraska, Kansas, and Arizona. We can get you a quote and explain